Hello, what's up guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to see Facebook memories. But before we getting started, if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, you need to open up your Facebook app. Now after opening Facebook, now click on the three lines. Alright guys, so now scroll down and here you can see the memories option, right? So if you click on that, you will be able to see all the memories. Like you can see I have posted this. I have actually shared this post about 1 year ago, so I also can share this, right? So this is one of the another post I have actually shared, and it's as you guys can see, it's 4 years ago. So yeah, that's how you actually can find your Facebook memories. Alright guys, now if you want to share the post, you actually can select share button. Now you can give it any kind of caption and simply can share this post. So yeah, so that's how you actually can find memories on Facebook, and also can actually share your memories. Alright guys, so that was it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.